To a Sneakerhead, we do upload a short or video every day.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Sneakerheads, how you doing? How you doing?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give this video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Too easy. Too easy. Too
So
easy.
today we got that weekly heat, baby. The weekly heat.
Yes, sir. That weekly heat.
So keep in mind this video comes out every Sunday. So if you want to see the hottest Jordan releasing that week, check out our video on Sundays, Sneakerheads.
That's right.
So go ahead and start us off, my brother. What we got?
So on the 8th of September, we got those Air Jordan 1s Low EX, right? This is a men's pair of shoes, right? They are black with that atmosphere gray. Right now, asking price for those are $140. Hey, so drop us a comment down below if you're rocking these or dropping these.
So as for me, I'm dropping these because the Atmosphere ones already just came out. Those are sitting. I do think the Atmosphere look a little bit better. These kind of look like the craft shoes to me. So let us know in the comments, Sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these?
What's up next, my brother?
So moving on, we have that Jordan 1 Golf. This is the East Side Golf collaboration. They're calling these Change. This is set to release on the 8th of September as well. The shoe features that predominantly black upper, does have green hips throughout. It does have that gold, the Air Jordan on the nice colorway. For this being a golf keeps doing their thing, and I think they did their thing on these. How about you, my brother? What do you think?
Hey, if I was golfing, right, and I'm a Celtics fan, right, I can see me rocking these, but not being a golfer or anything like that, hey, I'm going to have to drop those.
But keep in mind, Sneakheads, these don't have the spikes on them, so these can be worn as daily wearers as well. But I have yet to see anyone rock golf shoes as casual. Like my bro said, if you a Boston Celtic fan and you like to play golf, this will be a nice pair for you. And it does feature those gold tips on the end of those shoelaces, make that shoe pop. So let us know in the comments, Sneakheads, are you rocking these or dropping these?
So coming up next, following day, actually, it's on the September the 9th. Hey, we got the Air Jordan 2s. These are women pair of shoes. They got that Summit white with that soft peach. That's right, with that gem red in it. These right now, asking price is $175. This shoe here is a clean shoe with that soft heat standing out in the back. If my wife was out there and wanted a pair of J's, hey, I can see us rocking those. So those right there, we're rocking those. Those there, hey, actually, we'll give those 2 thumbs up, because that's a nice, clean shoe. I'd be surprised if that shoe is sitting. So let us know in the comment below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
And if you haven't done so already, Sneakerheads, go and check out his wife's first pair of J's. 23 years of marriage, got her first pair of J's. So you haven't done so already, check out that video right there. Hey, but like my bro said, I agree with him. This is a clean colorway. I do think that soft peach is really nice, but unfortunately, this is a Jordan 2. I do expect these to sit, but we'll see. When we say these things, we're just speculating. We just both giving our thoughts. And like you said, we're giving you our honest opinion. So give us your honest opinion in the comments, Sneakerheads. So moving on, the same day, on the 9th of September, we do have the Jordan 4 Red Cement. This is a very anticipated pair. As you know, they'd already shock dropped these. Unfortunately, I didn't hit on the shock drop, but I will be going for these again come September 9th. So we wish y'all the best of luck. The bots are going to be out there. Resale is going to be out there. This shoe is selling well on the resale value. This price is going for 2 popular that took over the Jordan 1s. Let us know in the comments. Do you already got you a pair? Are you rocking these or dropping these? Let us know.
Hey,
how about you, my brother?
Hey, for is me, I'm rocking those. I'm a 4 fan, right? So those are very clean shoes. So like you said, I can't see them sitting, right? That shoe there is a shoe that in my honest opinion, I can see that shoe selling out. So yeah, hey, shoot us a comment below, but I am rocking those, right? Hey, if you like content like this, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.
Peace.